Who's that, Rufus? Yesterday I showed you the location of the new post office here in Ash Fork. Today we're a couple of hundred yards down towards Highway I-40 to where there's going to be a new truck stop built. It's about 50 acres and they've started doing some work on it. There's another construction trailer somewhere on the property, I'm just not sure which. This has been a long time coming, but there's another one at the other end of town that may happen as well. There's a lot of controversy about building a truck stop here in town because a lot of people are concerned it's going to change the character of the town, and that's for sure what's going to happen. Between the two truck stops that are now planned for Ash Fork, there should be about 13 restaurants. Now, they're mostly going to be fast food. I don't know if the old restaurant here in town will get a facelift, but that's a possibility. No idea when this is going to be done. They do have to build a septic system and a water system. Fortunately, they're able to tap into the water company here, so that it's not a very long drive or long haul to the water main here in town. Irene's in the studio working on some models. I'm going to modify this case to accept the LED strips that I already put in the other case. I'll be using this barrel jack. It has threads on the body, but unfortunately the threads aren't long enough to go all the way through the box. I'll be using a drill bit that's slightly smaller than the threads. When I'm done drilling the hole, I'll screw this in. I won't have a nut on the back of it, but I think it'll hold well enough. As long as we're not rough pulling the plug out of the jack, it'll work just fine. I'll get started on doing that. I've drilled a hole in this display box that's just small enough that I can catch the threads on this barrel that's going in. And I have to give a little persuasion because it's pretty tight, which is what I want. Now that's tight enough, and I'm going to double check to make sure that it's going to withstand the pull of the plug. That's working just fine. Alright, now what I need to do is cut a piece of LED strip and solder these wires here from the plug, actually from the barrel, onto the LED strip. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some LED strips so that we can go ahead and complete that, and then I'm going to dust this all out, and I'll have 2 done for Irene for the upcoming show. I have 2 more to do, so I'll get started.